Storm Team 29 forecast.
Hope you're keeping cool on another very hot day across the region. There's the view from the Charlottesville camera here on this Tuesday evening. Let's take a look at some of the numbers today. These were high temperatures, 95 at the airport, 93 in the nation's capital, same in Richmond. But when you factor in the humidity, we had heat indices this afternoon anywhere from the mid 90s, even a few low 100s. 92 currently at the airport, a dew point of 67. Still feels like it's in the mid to upper 90s across the region. The sun will set this evening at 8:40, south winds at 9. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, we have 90 degrees with lots of sunshine, a southwesterly wind at 10. And we take a look at some other readings. We've got 92 in Culpeper, 90 in Madison. It's currently 95 there in Orange, 92 in Dillon, and some upper 80s to around 90 in the Shenandoah Valley. Now, as we take a look at NBC29's Doppler radar network, it is a quiet scan. We did have a little shower that tried to develop in Augusta County. That's been about it throughout the course of the afternoon. Tomorrow, we may see a few isolated storms, but by and large, Thursday, Friday, our better chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms across the region. So things are pretty quiet here across much of the mid-Atlantic as we're under the influence of this big heat dome that extends off to our east. 9 years ago on this date, it was much hotter, and we were going to be dealing with an intense line of storms, what's known as a derecho, a long-lived complex of storms that's able to sustain itself over hundreds of miles. The complex originated out across the upper Midwest, came through the Ohio Valley, crossed the Appalachians, made it all the way to the coast. It did lots of damage, plenty of wind damage, and many millions of people were without power for quite a while. It took a while to get that restored, and plus it was still hot after it. Temperatures here overnight, generally either side of 70 degrees, so certainly muggy conditions. Tomorrow should be the hottest day of this stretch. Most of us will top out in the mid-90s east of the Blue Ridge, lower 90s in the Shenandoah Valley. Once again, those heat indices mid-90s to low 100s. A few storms are possible during the afternoon, but we kind of highlight Thursday. Front will be moving closer to us, upper 80s to low 90s, and really after Thursday, temperatures do back down. But some of the storms that do develop on Thursday afternoon could turn strong to severe. Marginal risk is highlighted across the mid-Atlantic at this time. Certainly the main risk will be damaging wind gust. Now, as we take a look at the Independence holiday weekend, by Saturday, still some showers or storm around, but you'll notice these temperatures a lot cooler. Right now, Sunday for Independence Day is trending nice, mild with temperatures in the lower 80s. So things are quiet here locally and across much of the mid-Atlantic. Main front is still well to our north and west. It'll start to bear down closer to us on Thursday, make its transition across the area on Friday, and then later Saturday push a little farther south and east. So that's what we'll be watching. In the meantime, a muggy start tomorrow morning, upper 60s, lower 70s. A few isolated storms are possible tomorrow, plenty hot, plenty humid. And then as we go into Thursday morning, we start dry, but notice the coverage of showers and thunderstorms increasing here Thursday afternoon, upper 80s, low 90s for the afternoon highs. Tonight, we've got a warm and muggy summer evening and overnight temperatures either side of 70. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Heat wave rolls on, but those storm chances increasing here by Thursday, Friday, and at least the start of the Independence holiday weekend. And Steve, you know, we've talked about the intense heat. Some of that is record heat across the Pacific Northwest. So even though this is our first bout of an extended heat wave, it's pretty tame in compared to what folks in the Northwest and British Columbia and Canada are dealing with.
And don't really have to talk about it, just have to walk outside and like that. You kind of know what's going on.
But it's summertime, you know.
That's true.
You'd
Good
expect it.
All right, Eric, thank you.